Hey, what's up? It's your girl DVEJU VU, and I'm back again with another amazing video. So for today's video, y'all clearly see my hair. It's a mess. Like, this is a dirty wash and go that I did. So today I'm doing a group collab with some people from my Facebook group. So what we did was split up in different groups. It was like 14 of us. So we split up in different partners, and my partner with me is going to be...
My partner name is LifewithJerry.
But what we're doing is a group hair collab. So we were given like different options of different styles to do, different tools to use, and different products that we can use to achieve this hairstyle. So my hairstyle that she picked out for me is to do a twist out with like any hair cream, and I was instructed to use a brush. So that's what I'm going to be doing to my hair today. Y'all see my hair is a mess. And I'm also going to be using Clairol's hair keratin split-in like treatment thingy when I wash my hair. So, and that was sponsored by Influencer. It was complimentary of them, given to me in the Dazzle box for the month of March. So that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using that, and I'm going to be doing this hair collab. So the description of that stuff is going to be below. So make sure I check out the description box if y'all want to continue to see this video or to see how I'm doing this updated version of a twist out in this group collab. Keep watching. Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you're notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, catch a dog. Y'all know the drill. Share with everybody you love so your girl DVEJU VU can be popping. But yeah, if y'all want to see how this twist style is going to look, continue watching.
Now my turn. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm going to like and subscribe. So make sure you want to like and subscribe. So bye, guys.
Wave. So obviously I'm starting with freshly washed hair, and y'all see my natural curls, but I was instructed to only use one curling product. So I'm using Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Curl La La Defining Curl Custard, and I'm using a brush, and I was specifically told to use a brush, so I'm using my denim brush. And I'm starting on freshly washed hair, but first I'm going to try out this Clairol Professional I Thrive Keratin Rescue Split and Repair with panthenol, and it was given to me, like I said, from Influencer. This is complimentary, so I'm gonna try it out on my hair. And it's supposed to like help split ends and like dry, brittle hair and that such. So I'm gonna try it out. Oh, I could have just used this hair tie. I never used this product before, so it's gonna be exciting trying to see how it's gonna do. I don't have a mirror, so you know, I'm just free balling. Going from my instincts. What's in my spray bottle is just water. Spray it. It said use it on like damp hair, or like, yeah, damp hair. So I didn't soak it up. Just gonna put it in my hand. Yeah, I don't follow the dime size rule, as you can see. But I'm just gonna put it in my hand. Just put it through my hair like I'm putting on conditioner or something. It smells amazing. Y'all don't have a mirror. This is kind of like the no mirror challenge. The no mirror. This smells so good. I can't see what my curls look like either, so I can't see. I'm gonna brush my hair out. Kinda lit. Like, and it smells really good. My hair feels moisturized. So thank you so much for Influencer for sending me that. I'll be buying I Thrive Carrington products. So it's now time to get into the twist out. This is kind of hard not using a comb, cause my part look like this. For real. I'm gonna try to part it. I'm not gonna do all these twists on camera. I'm probably just gonna show you how like the first 3 do, because I don't have a mirror, and then I'm gonna come back when it's all complete. But I'm just using this Aunt Jackie's curls cream thingy I just told y'all in the beginning. But yeah, I love this product, y'all. It smells so amazing. It smells like it smells like candy. Yeah, like candy, like fruity. Oh, fruities. The fruity tooties. It smells like fruity tooties. It smells just like fruity tooties, actually. Wow, I haven't had those since I was a kid. It smells like fruity tooties thingies. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all, this isn't like too bad. I feel like I did this before, but it's just I don't have a comb, so my parts is gonna be very ugly. So I'm gonna have to do these like smaller than I would usually do them, because they won't be as precise. So I have to make it look and fit messy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish the rest of these twists off camera, because I do have somewhere to go. I have family in town, so I need to kind of hurry up. So I'm gonna finish the rest of these off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finishing product. So keep watching.
Wire. You gonna wire, yeah. That's the real deal. And nobody else again. No. They say back in those days, you get sent for it. You get sent for it? Yeah. Don't know if it's a death or a promotion, but you gotta go. Like I watched on one of them things about this game, Prime and something on that Escape Channel. It was a black gang, dope boy or whatever. And the one guy, they said he got to go. They had a meeting in the basement. And his leader said he got to go. So they called him. And they wouldn't fix him because he was one of them. But they found that he was talking to the police. And they took him in the basement and they said, now you know. But they tell you to go down first. And they behind you. You ain't coming up out that basement. They got in the basement, man, all of them pull out them guns. You know what? They did that, so they would never see me. Decision was made. Done. You got a hit on you. Man, like where's the prize? Oh shit. This is the time you go. Hey, man, you know when we used to do this? Like you see the Godfather when they was that guy flipped on him.
So I let these stay in for a day, and now I'm unraveling them. I was going to I was gonna let it stay in for 2 days, like all of yesterday and all of today, but whatever. I have places to go and family to see and people to see, so I'll just do it for like 1 day. I just did it for the 1 day, so that's why I'm taking it down now. But I feel like this is gonna be the best twist out I've ever done before. Because usually my twist outs don't look this good, so I feel like this method for this group collab that I did was really amazing. Because my hair is popping so far. I'm gonna untwist these and then come back and show y'all the final results. So I took the twist out. And bouncy and luxurious. You'll see a close up. Now I'm gonna take my pick and just pick it out. Y'all, this is the best twist out I ever did. Thank you, Jerry, for giving me this idea and this new method. I'm gonna really use it because this is really bomb. For real, because I don't like twist outs. I don't like doing twist outs because they never come out right. I'm gonna pick it out a little, and then we're gonna rock and roll. And then you just gotta play with it as well to get it how you want it. I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. This is the final look. You know, I got the edges popping. You feel me? Curls popping. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box because my partner for this collab is going to be in there. And it's going to be a playlist of all the other people that participated in this group collab will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, so you'll be notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, cat, your dog. Share with everybody you love so your girl DVEJU VU can be popping. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll definitely see y'all next time. Bye.